Hello traders, Sham here. Welcome to AlgoStreets channel. Today I am going to explain a magic adjustment to your option buying strategy, which helped me to reduce 75% of my losses with one simple change in execution. I used to lose heavily in every option trade that I took whenever it went against to me. I have blown out many of my option trading accounts. That's the case with many of the people. Now I am losing only 25% what I used to lose 100% earlier. Same trades, same markets. I will show you what has changed. Let me show you the math as well. If you see, 95% of the option buyers lose money not because they are wrong about direction. They are losing because how they buy the option. Today I will show you two simple changes that cut my losses to 75% and I will prove it with live calculations. I will take Nifty example. Nifty on Friday, 7th of November, have given a buy signal. Don't worry about these indicators. At the end, I will show you what these indicators are, how intelligent these, and how they guide to take the trades. So, 25,500 is the close. I am assuming we are going to take a buy because of the signal. So, as an option buyer, I'm going to buy at the money or next strike. Next strike, if I say 25,550. So I have chosen 11th November in weekly expiry. So I bought this call option. I'm expecting market to move in my direction. So I'm paying it. So how much I have paid? I have paid 74 rupees. I'm losing 5,500 in this trade. If market stays at 25,550 or below, I am going to lose 100% of this 5,500. Let's say while before we take trade, we will have an idea how many points it's going to move and where is my stop loss. See, I will show you here. I have bought 25,550 CE for 74. My target is 25,650. My SL my SL is 25,450. This is my SL. So when price moves to 25,650, this is 100 points gap and I have already paid 74 points. So finally I am going to lose, I am going to gain actually. This trade has worked for me. So I am going to gain 26 points. But if it stays below 25,550, I am going to lose full capital, 74 points. Now let me show you what the adjustment that I am planning to do. I knew that my target is 25,650. So the simple thing is I have paid 74 rupees to market. So I'm going to sell 25,650 CE. See, I got 38.5 back. Immediately, earlier where I lost 25,500, now I am losing only 2,600. That means immediately 50% drop in my losses. If you take this one as my loss trade, immediately my loss got reduced by 50% by doing a simple hack. Same thing. I am also expecting it moves to 25,650. So I have bought 25,550, same as above, naked option buyer for 74, but I sold 25,650, which is my target, for 38. So total I am paying 36 points. Where this naked option buyer is paying 74 points for the similar kind of outcome. I am paying only 36. That means you immediately reduced 50% of your losses. This is very huge. If market stays at 25,550 or if it goes down, I am losing only 36 points here. But if market stays in this naked option case, he is going to lose 74 points. This is one thing. Naked option against spread. When you are right, you make slightly less because your upside is capped, but it's fine. Out of if you keep on taking many trades, that consistency will give us the profits. But when you are wrong, you lose only half. In options, the main funda is survival. If you lose all your capital in one trade, you can't guarantee the trade will go in your favor or against. Assume that if it goes against, you are going to lose all your capital. But if you use the spreads, at least you will have one more opportunity because you lost only 50%. It doesn't end here. We have one more hack. Here we thought that 25,450 is the stop loss. So when price moved from 25,500 where we took our trade 25,500, it came down 50 points. So our 74 might lost more than 20 points. Let's say we lost 20 points. Let's say we lost 20 points. So when at stop loss, we already lost 20 points from this 74. But if you see the same thing, we have given only 36. When it come down to 25,450, we might have lost only 10 points in that spread. So here you are losing 20 points even with taking stop loss. But with spread, if I take stop loss, I am losing only 10 points. That is again a 50% difference here. So here you saved 50%, here you are saving another 25%. So total you are saving 75% by following this strategy, friends. Without this strategy, if a position moves against you, you are losing 74. Let me tell you one thing. The main villain for option buyers is odds. All odds are against option buyer. Your primary target should be to overcome those odds. You should have a plan how to overcome this one. So if you take a spread, even if it moves to in your favor or against or it is sideways, in any given case, you are saving 75% of your losses. Winning is secondary, gaining is secondary. First, your focus should be on protecting your capital. So now you have out of 100 rupees, you have protected 75 rupees. So you are losing only 25 when you lost. Not that you have lost 100% earlier. This is the biggest disadvantage of naked options. Why 95% of the people losing. So you need to do these simple hacks. And I will also tell you the disadvantage with naked options. They always expect it will bounce back. So once it comes to 25,450, no option buyer will try to exit. They will have a gut feeling saying that why can't it move up? Once it moves to my strike to 74, then I will exit it. And they won't stop there. They will try to average this one. Let's say 54 has come, 74 has come to 54. Option buyers think that if a 50 points upside move comes, by averaging this one they can gain more, so they will average and they will double the losses. But the main thing is an option buyer, the beautiful part will be if you cut your stop losses at your stop loss, you will have many number of chances. If you don't take your stop loss, you are going to lose your capital, you are going to blow out your accounts. If you obey your stop loss and if you do with spreads, you will save your 75% of losses, and you have lost only 25% when you lost. When you win, You will win with 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4. That is huge. Try this method. It will save you immediately. Now let me explain how this method works. See, without discipline, 75% of your capital gone in 3 trades. With discipline, you still have 50% of the capital left. So you are still in the market and you will still try to play your dices. Now let me show you. For example, if you lost 10,000 per trade, in 3 losses you are losing 30,000 in naked option buying. But with new method, let's say if they lose 10,000, without spreads we are losing only 5,000, and by following stop loss we are saving another 2,500. So total you are saving 7,500 on each trade. So finally, for 3 losses you are losing only 7,500 instead of 30,000. This is huge change. You can clearly see it by doing simple these two simple hacks, how much you are going to save, how your trading is going to improve from tomorrow. But still there is one more thing. How you will know where to enter, where to take the stop loss, what is the direction. We have three indicators developed for position, swing and intraday. All are free indicators. Let me show you. This is the positional indicator. Whenever algorithm sees any buy signal or send signal, it will alert us. So see, this is Aditya Birla Capital. We got alert 19 days before. Entry at 252, 253. We took this entry. And currently it is running in 33% profits. You will get all the stop losses, target levels, everything. You just need to take the trade with discipline. We have swing trade. This is the swing tool. This is the Nifty chart. We got a sell signal at 26,050 and we can deploy our strategy here for swing. And on Friday 7th we got a buy signal. See, it has given us buy signal. Direction is long, entries, primary stop loss, primary targets, secondary targets. One thing, if you see an entry here, you have to wait patiently until you get an entry here. Not that you should not jump wherever the price is trading. And we have intraday. There are many intraday players who do trading. So for them, this is the intraday tool. You will can clearly see on dashboard what is the buy setup, what is the sell setup. If it's a buy setup, you have to wait for the entry. You should not jump onto the trade immediately by seeing this one. You have to wait patiently until this price reaches, and you have the stop loss, and you have the minimum target, how much you have to aim minimum, and it beautifully displays us the risk in this particular trade. So the only thing that you need to do after doing these two simple changes and by using these three indicators, you have everything in place. The three indicators will give you the systematic trading principles, and these two adjustments will give you the strategic edge. So finally, the only thing you need to do is you bring the discipline, execute the trades with discipline. This tool has the edge, and you will be in profitable in your trading career. You never predict markets. You just protect your capital. That is the primary thing. You should be in markets to take odds in your favor. Use spreads, respect stop loss, follow the system. Cut your losses by 75% starting tomorrow. You will see the difference. In order to get the access to those tools, visit algostreets.com, check our services. Here you can see advanced trading view indicators. Request for get free access. Here you need to provide your trading view ID. So admin will give access to all three indicators. And there is a community, a WhatsApp community as well, where we used to post all the alerts. Whenever we get a alert here, we post in the group. So people who are interested, they will take the trades for swing alerts, position alerts, or intraday alerts. All alerts we post in this group, and there is a healthy conversations going on. Will go on to the stocks whatever they have picked. Hope this video is useful, and I hope you will follow the principles of strategy, risk management, adjustments that I have said to you follow. Never ever take a naked option buying in order to survive in markets. Always go with hedges. Here the case is spreads. If you like this video, just share to your friends as well and subscribe to us. It will encourage us to do more videos. Thank you. See you in next video.